That makes sense.
You can do one way
And then it comes up.
T, and away it goes. T, and we are going to reverse. You know the way the tree, I want to yeah. So, and T, and away we go. So, right here, and the
Come, ready.
What's yeah, that's like for 4. They can't even three away. So you can go, do you can go say, go watch your band.
And then when we are meeting.
Wait, what is that? You can go say,
I need to look at
look, get closer. Look that, it's a vehicle they come. You watch them, come now, you watch your body. See, they are you know, we are the imaginary people.
So I don't know what to do.
Yeah, the tweet, and away we go. So right, can calculate, and if you can complete with that, tweet, watch your body. Tweet, watch your body.
I wash your body, I wash your body.
No, I can't put body in this one over there.
Wash your body.
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 No, the one where me I do a body.
Wash your body.
No, I don't know body. Me not play. We done. You can tell me. You tell me. Me not play the one. Me not play the one. You tell me mother. Me not do that.
Then I play a game. So, why game stop? You know, entertain me while me are work. Big Batty Theatre. Alright, play that one. Play that one. Now go out and catch you later. Alabama say I listen to mission.
Dance, all dance started in the street. Ballet, contemporary, all of them. They built studios for them. So now I am building a studio for dance hall for the generation to come. Because we're seeing dance hall dance in many videos right around the world. And as strange as it might sound, dance hall also influenced Afrobeats. And we are proud to say that. We are radical. We dance what we live. This is how we would like to live tonight. Ladies and gentlemen, Dance Expressions, thank you very much.